Hi guys, welcome back to Kim's class. Today is the last lesson in the unit about places around town. We're going to practice writing using everything we have learned in the last 5 lessons. Let's look at the objective for today. Today's objective says, I can use prepositions of location and imperatives to give directions from different locations around town. You're going to have a chance to look at the map and write directions from one place to another. Let's go ahead and look at the map and we'll see what I'm talking about. On your screen, you're going to see a map of different places in a neighborhood. You see names of streets and names of these different places. It's important to understand that when you give these directions below, you need to make sure you start where the sign is that says start. You're going to give directions from the start sign to number 1, the police station, and then give directions from the start sign to the movie theater. You'll see sentences started for you and some blanks. Use words you've learned in this unit, like turn and straight, between, next to, and between, to fill in these blanks. Go ahead and write these directions down, and then I will give you the answers. Pause your video now to go ahead and try to write these directions by yourself. Go ahead and pause the video now. All right, let's see how we did. Number 1 asks for directions from the start sign to the police station. Let's look at the correct answers. Number 1, police station. Go straight on 1st Street. Turn right on Main Street. The police station is between the bank and the store, across from the drugstore. Now let's look at the answers for the directions from the start sign to the movie theater. Number 2, movie theater. Turn right on Central Avenue. Go straight to 2nd Street. Turn left on 2nd Street. Turn left again on Main Street. The movie theater is on the corner of 2nd Street and Main Street. How'd you do? I bet you did great. You could practice speaking these directions to yourself. That would give you some practice with pronunciation. But for now, let's look at our objectives and see how we did with our writing. Can you use prepositions of location and imperatives to give directions from one place to another? We had some practice with that, didn't we? So that concludes today's lesson. But before you go, I'd like you to do 4 things for me. Is that all right? The first thing I'd like you to do is press the like button on this video. The second thing I would like you to do is share it. If you have friends or family that would like these videos, you can share it with them. The next thing I'd like you to do is to write a comment in the comment section below. And one more thing. If you are enjoying these videos, please hit subscribe. Then every time I post a new video, you will know. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me in Kim's class. And thank you for letting me come on this journey with you to learn English. Goodbye for now. I'll see you soon.